Good Saturday morning, afternoon, good night, wherever you are watching. This is Matt from the ESU Warrior Model Shop. So, I'm doing 3 unboxings. Sorry if I'm talking a little fast. First is going to be the Indianapolis. As you know, or if you do not know, the Indianapolis served in World War II, delivered the atomic bomb before getting destroyed. So she has major significance. So this is a 1/350 scale from Academy. It has some nice artwork. If it's upside down, I apologize. I've looked at the directions already. It really does not have a tells you what colors, but not like exactly what each part is. So I'm going to research it. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually do this yet. I may get some photo etch for it, or just get a couple upgrades. So this is a 2-part haul. Goes together real nice. Then, I think it has 7 more sprues. The plastic is actually really good quality. Some good detail. I'll be drilling those holes out and then putting glass in them. Sorry if it's unfocused. As you can see, really nice quality. I like Academy products. I haven't had a bad one yet. A lot of little itty bitties, lead boats, you name it. Again, these are duplicate sprues because there is a lot to go on it. The front side, back side. This is going to be a very fun build. Like I said, I'll probably get maybe some photo etch or just upgraded parts. So I'm not sure if I'm going to start this just yet. Has some decals. But things are falling in the shop. Mayday. Sorry, a little disorganized today. Just trying to get stuff done. Like I said in yesterday's video, I don't have any more room. So that's any builder's downfall. Keep building and have no room. Next is the B-25 J. Mitchell. These were flying off of the USS Hornet to put a pin through the Japanese heart after Pearl Harbor. I do not open the clear until absolutely needed. Fuselage, rudder for the engines, wings. Again, another sprue. This is going to be a big plane. May not be as big as the next one, which I will show you. Landing gear, interiors, and then the last sprue has the people, the rudder, the propellers, and everything else. So, very good quality. This Revell one does really, Revell, I usually have issues with, flash. This one actually is looking really nice. Now, the big let me get that out of the way. I can't even talk today. The B17F Memphis Belle by Revell, 1/48 scale. I think I did a video on this a couple months ago when my girlfriend got it for me for our anniversary. She crochets, I model. The instructions are very detailed. I opened it up a while ago just to take a look. Had a little bit of a flood in the garage when it rained one day, so that's why they look discolored. Again, the clear plastics. Now, this thing is huge. This thing, if you put it up to my arm, it pretty much takes my whole hand and my forearm. This thing is nice. Has a little bit of flash. It's not too bad. Again, the fuselage, engines. The wingspan is huge. Again, this is a Flying Fortress, so they are huge. It's about, the wingspan is, at least for one wing, is about 75% the length of the fuselage. So, but I mean, this is really good. Really nice. I like it nice. I mean, some good detail for the underneath. The guns. Another wing. This one actually looks like a simpler version. I did one when I was little, and I don't know if it's because I was young, but it seemed like I had a lot more parts to it, so. And then the last sprue is a quarter sprue, just with that. So, those are the three models. I told you I would be choosing one. I really don't know which one I will be doing. If you guys have, as things are falling, I'm a klutz. If you guys have any input on which one you guys want me to do, let me know and I will tally votes. Alright guys, take care on this beautiful Saturday.